Shopify website builder tutorial. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Shopify and how you can use it to create one of the greatest websites that you have seen. Now, Shopify, as we all know, is one of the greatest e-commerce store creators out there, and you can sell in any place through Shopify if you want to. It has the most amazing plans and pricings and the most amazing features to get your e-commerce store up and running. So, to start this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is first of all, you're going to come over to shopify.com and click on Start Free Trial. Now, once we click on Start Free Trial over here, you can sign up with anything that you have. You can either sign up with email or you can sign up with your Google, Apple, or Facebook. I'm going to go with sign up with email. And once we've done that, we're going to enter our email address right over here. From here, you can add in your very own custom password that you think is strong enough for you. And once you have done that, from here, it's going to bring you to your Shopify onboarding. Now it says, where would you like to sell? I'm going to go with an online store because that is what we're here to create. Which of these best describes you? I'm already selling online or in person, or I'm not selling yet. Now I'm going to go with I'm not selling yet, but you can go with already selling if you have products that you are already doing a POS of somewhere else. Then it says, what do you plan to sell? Products I buy or make myself, drop shipping products, or print on demand products. You can go with any of these. There's also digital products and services. I'm going to go with products I buy or make myself or drop shipping products. Now, once you've done that, click on Get Started, and now it says, which plan do you want to try? Now, they have three pretty decent plans, but you also get a 3-day free trial, and the first 3 months are for $1, which is practically free. But for now, I'm going to click on Skip. I will decide later. Now, once you've done that, what happens from there is it's going to bring you straight to your Shopify admin or your Shopify dashboard. Now, from here is where the magic starts. On the left-hand side, you can see home, orders, products, customers. This is where you're going to be managing the main things in your e-commerce store. So to start things off with the website building, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your online store. Now, once we're here in our online store, what we're going to do is first choose a theme. Okay. So to choose a theme, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down here and you're going to click on Visit Theme Store. Now, once you click on Visit Theme Store, we're going to wait for the theme store to load up, and here we are. Now, you can go ahead and browse all of your themes, okay? And there's tons and tons of different themes to choose from. There's 217 paid themes if you want to go ahead and charge money on those themes, but you can also get a theme totally for free if you want to, and there are extremely incredible free themes for you to work around with. Now, personally, I'm going to go with this one. This one looks pretty cool. It's called Crave. So once we've chosen this, let's go ahead and click on Try Theme. And what this does is it adds the free theme to your Shopify store directly. Now, once this theme is up here in our Shopify store, what you're going to do is you're going to wait for it to load in. And once it's loading in, what you're going to do from there is you're simply going to start customizing it. Now, one more thing while your theme is being added is to obviously customize a store, you are going to want to make sure that you do have products. So to add products, you can either dropship products that I'm going to tell you how you're going to do further on in the video. But if you want to add your very own products, simply click on products over here. You're going to click on add product. And once we click on add product, you can add in any product name, like let's say shirt. Okay, you can add its description, cotton, 100%. Okay, we're gonna add in something like that. So once you add this in, what you're gonna do from there is you're gonna upload any media for the shirt that you are selling. Okay, and you're gonna want to make sure that the media matches whatever you're trying to sell. Okay, it's extremely important to add the correct images, and once you've added your image and you've uploaded it, from here you're going to add in the pricings. So let's say I'm going to go with this as my pricing, and then there's the compare at price, which is basically the cutoff sale price. So let's say I'm going to add this as my compare at price. Now once you've done that, what you're simply going to do from here is you're going to add the quantity of your product. So let's say I'm going to add the quantity. We're going to continue selling when out of stock. If you want to go ahead and opt for that, I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. Don't worry, it won't affect your point of sales if you do choose to do that. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and add the weight. Once you've done that, you can add your very own variations to the products as well. So different colors, different age groups, different genders, different fabrics, sizes, etc. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add a variant of medium, large, small, XL. Okay, we're going to add those variations. And for the color, let's go ahead and add the variations black. Let's go with brown, clear, and let's go with beige. Okay. Now, once we've done all of that, you're simply going to click on save. And once we click on save, what happens from here is that we've successfully added in our first product. Now, once your first product is in, you're simply going to go over to your online store. And once we're here, simply click on customize. Now, once you click on customize on your theme, this opens the theme editor. Now, this is where the magic actually starts because the template that it already gives us has designed our store, but you can make it better. So, first of all, here on the left hand side, we can see the announcement bar up here. Now, you can change the text for it. So, let's say I'm going to go ahead and add 50% sale, 50% sale on all winter stock. So let's say I'm going to add in something like that. Okay. Now, once that is done, you can go ahead and move on to the other relevant sections. So first of all, we have this My Store section here. Now, obviously, if it just says My Store, that doesn't look the most attractive. So obviously, to change that for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you can add very different logos. And to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your theme settings, go over to your logo, and add in any different logo that you want to upload for yourself. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add this logo in. Okay. And once you have uploaded that, simply click on done. And you're going to see instead of my store, it's going to start showing the logo. There we are. Now, once that is done, you can go over more into theme settings where you can change the color schemes for your website. If you want to make it different, you can do that. Then there's the typography where you can change the fonts and so on more. So anything you want to change when it comes to the styling of your page, you can go over to your theme settings and change them as you go on. But obviously to add different things into your blocks, let's say I'm going to come over here and you can add different sections into it. So let's say I'm going to add an image with a text. Okay, and here's the image with the text. Now let's bring this along up here. So once it's up here, let's say I'm going to bring it lower than the favicon. There we go. So now you can simply go ahead, add images into the design. And once you've added images, what you can do from there is go ahead and add any editorial in the main text box that we have. So I'm going to add this image right over here. And now you can add in your text like brand new stock out now. Okay. And then you move over to the lower texts and add any relevant details that you find for your page. And just like this, you're going to add in as many elements as you want. Finally, click on save, and that should save your website. And obviously, you can choose to add in as much detail and design to your website as possible. And that is how you're going to be using Shopify's website builder in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.